In this video, I'm going to show you how to send the PlanSwift file. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Home tab up top, and you want to click on Email Job. Now, when you do this here, you want to switch over to Email Files because we are sending a PlanSwift file, and you want to click on Next. And then from here, it's going to prompt you to actually select the files to send. I'm just going to click on Add Files, and I do have a PlanSwift file over here, so sampleplan.swiftjob. I'm going to click on it and click on Open. There we go. And then you can just click on Next, but of course, if you want to zip before sending, you can do that too. And when you click on Next here, you'll be able to put in your name, your referral number, and then your email address, and then your recipients here. So I'm just going to type in the recipient as myself. That's going to work for now. And of course, you can put in the contacts if you have them over here, and then click on Next. You'll be able to type in the message, for example, hello, and then of course you can type it whatever you want, and then just click on Next again. And then from here, basically, it says ready to send the files, and then you can just click on Finish, and that's basically going to send them. Okay, so that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.